we go off this station. It's called here is what it's called. Nonthaburi. Station M30. So we are far from the city of Bangkok. Oh, big fishes here. Very big. Oh,
that fish.
It's sharks.
No.
Tiger sharks.
Was it?
Nej.
It's a catfish.
Yeah, it is. Look here. This is here. We go and check. This is the other ferry.
ด้วยขอพระจงประดิษฐ์ประสาทสุขปลดเปลื้องทุกโศกโรคภัยให้หายสูญจงประสบแต่มิ่งมงคลผลเพิ่มพูนอันพบตะคุณปกแผ่แด่ท่านเถิดขอเดชะบุญทานการกุศลเป็นมงคลต่างมาลัยของขอท่าน
No, this is. Go on here. 3:20 in the afternoon now. And here you have schoolboys.
มันต้องมีคนหนึ่งไว้ที่ไม่ไปเว้ยมันบอกไอ้ดาวบอกว่า
Café Amazon.
Ah, okay. This is green. What do they say?
Dragon fruit.
No. Jackfruit.
Jackfruit, okay.
Here.
And this is also. Tongchu. You ate the whole, eh?
Yeah.
And the name is?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
This fruit is good one, like if you are very hungry, you have to eat this one. You don't need to
We go over the street here. Back on the bus. Follow the local. School is nearby. Not bad, eh? Good, eh? I think I never eat it.
You can't. No, you never. Because you thought that durian.
Oh, it looks like durian. Jackfruit. Another jackfruit. Yeah, let's go back to the boat station. We pay 16 baht to go all the way to this pier. I think that is the cheapest tourist exploration you can do, to tour up the river in this boat. Orange line we take. Now we're looking for the ticket office. You can also pay to her, I think. Waiting area front. Ticket office here.
I think it's red.
That's long. This is the expensive boat. We go here to ferry. Yeah, but you see what kind of boat is it? That's the expensive boat. See, now they come this. Orange line we go. You can buy on the boat also. There maybe. But that's the other.
It's the other, I guess.
Yeah. Maybe it's just here. Huh?
So this one, it says their information on the right side. So the information, that's where the ticket is.
Yeah, but now come a boat. But that's the boat to go back and forward here. That we not go.